Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Once again, this is Pure Stone Heart. And for those who did not like my channel or subscribe my channel, please do hit the notification bell so you will be updated for my next video. Once again, I just want to share this one, guys. Here with me, okay? Around 1 o'clock or 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock this afternoon, I'm scrolling my phone in the TikTok and I saw this one live selling is Apple Feel Apple something is the name. I forget. Wait, anyway, I will put the link below. And they were here in Dubai and they are selling appliances, okay, like cookwares whatsoever. Now, so during the live selling, I saw that there's a display rice cooker, blender, whatsoever. Now, when I had a chance, guys, I asked if they have a stainless wok. And then to my surprise, guys, when they show me the wok that they have, yes, we have like this. Then when the seller flexed the wok, oh my God, I'm so amazed because this wok, I've been looking for this in different stores, different department store. If I can buy this one, because I was amazed this one when it passed by in my FYP and Facebook a couple of months ago, but I ignored. But suddenly it recognizes me now. Oh my God, I really need that to walk. But when I look it into the Facebook and I cannot see it anymore. But now I was so amazed that when the seller showed me, oh my God, I need that one. I can have, please give me that one. So I ordered. So just imagine, guys, I ordered around 1 o'clock or 12 o'clock this afternoon. And they said that if I will order, it will be, when I asked when it will be delivered, it will be tomorrow for the courier or perhaps today. If they will go around somewhere, they will be passed by in the area, they can deliver it now. But what happened, guys? It's 5 o'clock in the afternoon, 5:30 in the afternoon. So 4 hours it was delivered. It was delivered to me. And I'm so excited, guys, to share it with you. This wok. When I saw this one, one of my friend has it, I really like, and it's very nice, and it's very affordable. You know, I'm not buying too expensive, but this one it's really worth it. It's only kinda like 49 dirhams, something. Yeah. So you know what? I ordered this one and it arrives, and I will show you guys this one. Let's go. Unboxing. It's not unboxing though because they don't have carton. They say that no, they don't have carton. It came like this packaging. So I don't know if originally they having a cartons or not, or it was destroyed whatsoever. But I don't care. For as long as the materials came good condition and it would be easy and it's nice. So, ta-da! There you go. A simple wok, guys. Oh, just imagine I have it here. The wok. Yeah, this one. Really, it's very thick. And it's very nice. It's very nice. The handle, whatsoever. So it's very nice. It's really good for cooking whatsoever you need. And I guess I need to buy cover for this somehow because of course you will be cooking something here and you need a cover. So there will be a cover something so I can buy for this one. No, I guess. So this one, but you know what, guys? The thing is, I did not bought only one. I bought 3 pieces. These are the last pieces in their store, so I bought it all the 3 pieces. Yeah, the other one. Again, I'll show you. Yeah, this one. And the other one, the last piece is here. God. See, just imagine. I really like this one, guys. Oh my goodness. I already, because I tried to, I buy this one 3 pieces, guys, because one I brought, I will put it here. I will be using the other one. The other one I will give to my sister, and the other one is for my house. So I guess, deserve naman. And then I really love, and it's really nice to have, the walk like this. So I am not looking this one anymore online, because I've been searching this one for a weeks now where I can find, but there are some, I don't know if those in the online are the same beautiful as this one, the same thickness as this one, but for the 49 dirhams, I believe this is very affordable, and it's very nice. Oh my God, it's very nice. See, the handle itself, it's really amazing, and it is called honeycomb. Yeah, honeycomb. Oh my God, I will be using this one tonight, guys. I will cook something, and so this is so amazing, and oh my goodness. I can't believe I already have this one, guys, because my friend, I go with my friend. Yeah, this one. So what I do, I will cook this one, I will cook this one, I will cook from here, I will cook from here. So this is so amazing, and thank you so much. I will share the TikTok link below for if you will find something like this, and just comment